Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today I have this wireless sports headwear right here, and I'm super excited to share this product with all of you. I'm telling you, these are awesome. So anyways, let's go ahead and just get started. I'll show you guys the box, what you get out of the box, and then ultimately how to use this product. So here's the box. Overall, it's really nice. It's got some product information there on the back for you. But we'll go ahead and open this up. All right, and so this is what you get. You also get a little bit more in here. Let's see what else we get. All right, you get a little tool here. This tool helps you remove the electronics in the headband because this is completely washable. So it is nice that it comes with this. And then you also get a charger here. Now, this product is great because it takes about 2 hours to charge, but off a single charge, it lasts up to 10 hours. So definitely worth charging. It lasts a long time, so it's super reliable for you when you're out on those runs, or you're lounging around the house, maybe taking a nap, which you can wear this while you sleep, or as a headband when you run. So it's really up to you. So we will go ahead and open this up. You also get your, let's see, your owner's manual here. So any further questions, feel free to reference that. But here you guys go. Here is the headband. Overall, it's really lightweight. It's waterproof, which is great. So once again, if you're outside running and wearing this as a headband, you can easily tackle any kind of elements out there and you're going to be completely fine. So here you guys go. The speakers are on the sides in here. You can't see them, but you can feel them a little bit. They're pretty small though, which is great. So you don't have anything bulky, anything like that. And then here is your control panel, power button here, plus and minus there. So overall, really easy to use. This has Bluetooth 5.2 technology, which is the newest Bluetooth technology out there. So it's definitely going to connect and work great. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on, and I'm going to get it connected here. We'll get some music going. So it says it's pairing. I have my MacBook here, so I'm just going to go ahead and pair them to my MacBook because I'm recording with my phone right now. But here you guys go. It popped up right there. So we're going to click on it, click connect, and it will tell you that you're connected, so you'll be able to hear it. And then, yeah, we can go ahead and play some music here. All right, so yeah, you can hear the music great. I'm telling you guys, the quality of it is awesome, so you're definitely not gonna miss out on any of the music you're listening to. But anyways, you know, it only takes a matter of a few seconds to connect. Really easy to do. Now, I am wearing this as like a headband right now. This is what I would wear if I were to be running, but if you want to sleep with this as like an eye mask or something like that, you can simply wear it just like this, and you're good to go. It's completely pitch black, so once again, you can listen to music and wear this as an eye mask while you sleep, so it can help you get much needed rest. But overall, I absolutely love this product, and I definitely recommend it to all of you out there.